Hi, I am TomBrendtCoach and welcome to windy Karpathos. The Island Club Windsurf Center is located only 2 minutes from Karpathos Airport. The Greek island of Karpathos is one of the windiest summer destinations in the Aegean Sea. During our September clinics, we get some high wind days and also some more comfortable days so we can practice high wind control and some nice maneuvers, jumping and even freestyle.
The Island Club Karpathos is very well equipped with the latest Fanatic Enduro gear, from smaller sizes up to some bigger gear for the lighter wind days. Right above the Island Club you find the Anemos bar and restaurant, which is ideal to recharge batteries, to recharge your energy after an exhausting windsurf session, for some nice cold drinks after your windsurf day, and for some really special dinners. The Thalassa Suites accommodations and the Sophia Studios are located right next to the Island Club. Rescue service, including a rescue boat, is always on duty and makes sure that no one gets lost in the offshore winds. The spot on Karpathos is divided into 3 bays. The Chicken Bay for beginner and intermediate windsurfers and for some light wind practice in case of a lighter wind day. Then there's the Gun Bay with flat water, and the Devil's Bay with even stronger winds and some chop for some first jumps or to fly into some freestyle maneuvers. It would be a pleasure to welcome you to one of our September clinics on Karpathos to work on your windsurf skills and to enjoy some really nice days with you.